What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's not over there. It's not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus Snape.
Weasley.
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 Dumbledore!
Ron,
Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Hermione. Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Hermione.
Harry Potter.
Severus
Harry Potter.
Hermione.
Yeah. Harry
Dumbledore.
Potter. Harry Potter.
Hermione.
Ooh. Harry Potter.
Severus
Harry Potter. That's me.
Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Harry
Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Hermione. Hermione.
Harry Potter.
Hermione.
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
Dumbledore! I forgot to say Dumbledore.
Expelliarmus.
Ron Weasley. Am I done?
Wait, how many times am I saying Hermione?
Master Wizard.
Watch this, my
I'm
glasses.
gonna make you disappear.
What? No, no!
I'm gonna go back to my bathroom. What are you doing here?
Singing our song.
Wait! No one told me this!